it's Melanin and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a do-it-yourself stand for the ring light that I obviously made already. I'm just going to be making a stand for it because I'm tired of just like propping it up and hanging it on the wall like with a tack or something. So I'll be sharing with you guys this little, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. So all you will be needing is some zip ties, a paper towel holder, and some scissors. And with the zip ties, you want to make sure that you're putting it in right. If it slides after you tie it, if it slides right back off, then it's wrong. Just flip it over and slide it back in and you'll notice because it won't come back loose. It'll just tighten on its own once you slide it. You'll see what I'm talking about if you try it. So when you're putting the zip ties on, you want to make sure you're going around the metal piece of the paper towel holder and around the ring light at the same time. I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I mean, my arm's kind of in the way. So you just want to go around both of them to make sure that it holds. And you're going to have to use a lot of zip ties for it to actually hold. stands on its own. I probably will put something on the front of it because it's like a little bit unleveled, but for the most part it stands on its own, and I'm gonna use it just like that. Here is the finished product. It's really simple and really easy. I just looked up a video basically and I'm like, I could do that, and that's it.